Hey guys, so in this episode, it's about us heading to the Tasman Lake, and we're looking at the Tasman Glacier. So at this point, we were hiking. This is the part when I hike towards the Tasman Lake and check out those icebergs. No, glaciers. They're not icebergs, they're glaciers. So I checked out the glaciers and went all over the place. And also, at night, I went back and did some night shots. So this is the time we went there. Just check out the video and tell me what you think. Tasman Lakes. Tasman Blue Lake. I'm tired. I'm not really fit. Okay, let's do this. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Just a small lake. I wonder what's there. Yeah, it's just a lake. There it is. It's just that lake. The big one's there, Tasman Lake. This is the Blue Lake, which is smaller. We are approaching the peak. Not yet. Oh shit. Peak's there. Up there, just like a small guy. We're heading up there. Yep. We're here. Nice. Cool. So so we're here at the Tasman Lake. So we're here at the Tasman Lake viewing deck, and that's the Tasman Glacier there. Tasman Glacier. I don't know how to pronounce it, but Tasman Glacier. And then we were there earlier. We were on a plane heading there. We landed and it was so awesome. The plane suddenly stopped there and then turned and then landed on a glacier. And there's a soft snow on top. There's a lot of dirt down, but you can see below. You can't see. Your camera's too wide, but you can see below. There's like blue ice underneath. The previous years, like years before, the glacier was only heading all the way here. Due to climate change, everything melted. All the dirt came in, so that's why there's a lot of dirt here. The glacier is just there, far away. And there's also rainwater here. So this is not all glacier water, but it's still good. Looks good. Anyway, we're gonna head down there and check out the glaciers. Yep. Heading down now. Okay, heading back. We're gonna go to the jetty and go near the glaciers, and then we're gonna head to Tekapo to sleep for the night. Look at the view. Awesome view. Worst nightmare. If ever you're in a paragliding or in a parachute or something and you fall on top of these thorns, you'd be like, hell yeah. Oh damn. Yep, made a mistake. I chose the jetty, but I want to be there. I'm just gonna walk. Laura might go home first. That's alright, but I'm heading back up there. Tasman Glacier, mate. Tasman Lake and the Tasman River. Okay, we're here at Tasman River. No, Tasman Lake. It's Tasman Lake. You can see there. This is the lake and the outlet heading to the river out there. And you can see glaciers. Awesome glaciers. We're gonna go down. We're gonna tread down and enjoy it. Yep. I was supposed to do some night shots here. And good thing I didn't, because they would have been very cold. But I feel bad. We won't be staying here long tonight. We're just gonna come back here tomorrow, but we're not gonna do night. We're not gonna stay for the night here. Yeah. So hiking, you jump over big rocks. Careful, you might fall. My foot is wobbly, also I'm tired. There it is. There you go. Lahar. Yep, we're heading down the glaciers. I can feel the sandflies again. Sandflies biting me again. So we're slowly heading down. It's a rocky descent. Oh, the boxer, Rocky. Yeah. Yeah. Tasman glaciers. Glaciers. When you're up in the air, these glaciers look so small, but when you're here, man, they're big. They're huge. Just that there's some dirt on top, so that's why they're black. Yeah. Check out those ice. This ice melting and it's heading down there, the drain or the river. But yeah, you can see somewhere there. I hope you can see this, but it's not clear on my screen. But yeah, see some ice. Yeah, the bugs. See that Flora over there, she's climbing up. Okay, it's nice to be here at the lake. Okay. Okay, nice view of the lake. Let's go up now. Okay, I think I yeah. Okay guys, so I like to meet you end of the vlog for today. Still not sure if I'm gonna get a one full vlog or a daily vlog. Like I can organize. Okay, I was talking earlier and then this one was in my pocket so nobody could hear me. I was talking, I was panting. Damn it. Anyway, I hope it's gonna be noisy. I'm gonna need to change the audio. Anyway, that hurts. Anyway, okay, so that's the problem of not having a microphone on your camera. I clip the microphone here, this Rode Wireless Go, so that wherever I point the camera, you can hear my voice. But when I had my photo taken, I took it off and I forgot to put it back. So all my audio will be like, it was in my pocket. So it's such a boo-boo. Anyway, oh yeah. Like what I said earlier, if I won't be able to salvage the audio, is that we're heading to Lake DeCaprio now. It's around 1.5 hour travel And hopefully tomorrow we'll come back here. We'll do the 3 to 4 hour trek. We'll see. If not, then we'll not push it. We're gonna take photos on the roads there. Just one photo in the road there. That'll be it. And yeah, because it's a shame. We're here in this beautiful place of Mount Cook, and we didn't have much photos, or we didn't have much time because our schedule was messed up. But either way, I'm thankful. And if you guys come over here, try out the helicopter or the plane ride heading to the glacier. It was my first time, so I can't compare with any other trips, but for me that was good. That was really good. Okay, Laura's been away. Like she's blazing up there. I'm on my way. Like I said, there's a waterfall down there, and it's awesome. I don't know if I got it earlier because my audio just messed up. I'm gonna start running over to Laura now. Enough vlogging for today. See you when I see you. Bye.